One of the biggest investments a middle-income family member will make during his or her lifetime will most likely be buying a house or a flat. For a long time, Dakshina Kannada district's claim to fame was the proud fact that 5 of the country's leading nationalized banks are headquartered out of Mangalore. The economy depended on agriculture and port-related activities. The youth moved to Mumbai and the Gulf countries for employment. Today, while we still talk about our beautiful beaches and endless green hills and valleys, we also observe that under the calm, unhurried pace of the common man in Mangalore lies a new confidence that has come with development and has changed his life for the better. Today, Bangalore is considered to be the education hub of the state of Karnataka, attracting students to the engineering, medical and management streams, not only from all over the country but also from different parts of the world. Healthcare is another prominent industry providing world-class treatment and care, attracting patients from world over. Development of road infrastructure, the upgradation of the airport, IT parks at Mudipu, Tumbe and Ganjiman, special economic zones for petroleum and petrochemicals, IT and ITES and high-tech engineering has led to Mangalore being considered the industrial hub of Karnataka. IT and ITES companies like Infosys, Cognizant Technology Solutions, Mphasis BPO, Thomson Reuters, among others have set up their campuses in Mangalore. Like the city centre, the Forum Fiza and Plama Mall that promises to be the largest mall in Karnataka have come up so quickly, introducing a definitely more comfortable way to shop, walk around aimlessly and entertain oneself all under one roof. Shopping will never be a chore. All this development in Mangalore has provided the largely unemployed college-educated youth with jobs. The standard of living has risen considerably and is apparent as we see more and more people wearing branded attire, owning cars and doing a lot of aspirational buying. The real estate scenario in Mangalore couldn't be better. NRI investments in luxury apartments, IT and ITS employees investing in property through customer-friendly housing loans provided by banks. The city boasts of its very well-known builders who have contributed immensely to the real estate industry in Mangalore. Recently, external players have entered the field, people like Purvankara, Raheja and Brigade to name a few. With all this development and construction going on, one would imagine that buying a place to call home would be a lark. Turning out it isn't. Ask any Mangalorean who isn't upper middle class or higher if their dream of buying a flat will ever turn to be a reality. Their answer would be an emphatic no. This is because there are hardly any affordable housing projects around. Affordable housing for those who dream the improbable dream of owning a flat that is not compromised by way of materials, technology or aesthetics. This is where Panchamal Properties comes in. Panchamal Properties is led by Mr. P. Lakshman Shenoy, who is also Managing Director of Panchamal Plastics, an organization that is a household name since 1974. He brings in 20 years of leading a successful plastic product manufacturing unit targeted at the construction and agricultural industries. His mantra has been consistency in product performance offered to customers at competitive prices. He carries this belief system into Panchamal Properties, where his goal is to design, develop and construct properties that reflect quality offered at surprisingly affordable rates. And therefore the slogan, "Quality meets perfection." Mr. Lakshman Shenoy likes to say that the only asset he carries with great joy is the goodwill of his customers. And as someone has said, goodwill is an asset that competition cannot undersell or destroy. He always believes thrill which he gets by seeing satisfied customers walking happily with their dreams fulfilled drives his passion to excellency. Panchamal Properties will benefit greatly from his expertise in finance and strategy. He is ably supported by Mr. Suman, who has worked in the construction business for more than 5 important years. His strengths are notably technical aspects of construction, interest in the evolving technologies of the construction industry, marketing and sales. Panchamal Properties is hands-on in every stage of project, be it selection of sites, development of the project and finally marketing and sale of the project. Panchamal Properties employs a knowledgeable and result-oriented team to implement all 3 stages. Their relationship with their customers extends well beyond singing the dotted line and collecting the check. To ensure that the customer feels secure and happy with their investment, their customer support team provides post-sale support. This could include anything from addressing requests for modifications to ideas for designing the interiors. Panchamal Properties is committed to providing affordable quality apartments to those who never dare to dream that they could own the roof over their heads. Projects: Bondel Mangalore, Velankani Heights. Panchamal Properties are promoters of 208 residential apartments. Bondel Mangalore, IKEA Abroad. Panchamal Properties are promoters of 15 residential sites of 30 into 40 and 50 into 80 area. Marakada, Kunjatpail, Mangalore. Panchmal Properties are promoters of 120 residential apartments. Kodikal, Mangalore. Panchmal Properties are promoters of 15 residential sites of 30 by 40, 60 by 40, 60 by 80 area. Berlaguri, Mangalore. Panchmal Properties are promoters of 15 residential sites of 30 by 40, 60 by 40 and 60 by 80 area. Shaktinagar, Mangalore. Verdant Valley View. True to its name, this property is spread over 7 acres of land where it plans to construct villas and residential apartments.